Alright guys, so how it's going? FIFA Mobile Wizard here, and today I'm gonna open 10 packs. I wasn't planning to do this, I was planning to save some more, but I couldn't wait. So let's start with a pro pack. Come on, elite, elite, elite. Nope, nothing. A champions pack. Let's see if I can get an elite or a good gold player. Nope, Marcus Llorente from I don't know. Come on, Pepe. A silver player again. Come on, Cuadrado. Cuadrado. 3 silver. Come on, Pogba. This time it better be Paul Pogba, not Cahill. I really need to get Bonucci so I can complete the Master Messi plan. Ooh, yes, I don't have him. Okay. Come on, Bonucci. And you're in there. Not Hesse again. Come on. Bonucci. Ah, Belotti. Now, there's one elite guaranteed here, or two, I think. Ooh, Camero, good. Zaha, ooh, Lukaku, yes. He's real good. Update him. Come on, two elites. Danny, okay. Tini, ooh, Sterling, he sells. And that's it. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it, and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.